Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a Patreon subscription service, complete guide step by step clearly. To deploy a Patreon subscription service, start by creating an account on Patreon's website. Visit www.patreon.com and click on the sign up button. Fill in your email, create a password, and verify your account. Once logged in, select Create on Patreon to set up your creator page. Choose the category that best fits your content. Add a profile picture and cover image that represents your brand. Write a compelling bio to let potential patrons know what to expect. Define your tiers by clicking on Create your first membership tier. Set pricing for each tier, considering the value you'll provide. Outline the perks for each tier, such as exclusive content or early access. After setting up your tiers, review your payment settings to ensure accuracy. Connect your bank account or PayPal for receiving funds. Customize your page's URL to make it easy for patrons to find you. Preview your page to see how it will appear to potential patrons. Once satisfied, launch your page by clicking on the Publish button. Promote your Patreon link across your social media platforms. Engage with your audience regularly and keep them updated on new content. Create a content calendar to maintain a consistent posting schedule. Be receptive to feedback from your patrons to improve your offerings. Continue to promote your Patreon subscription service regularly. Monitor your progress and adjust your tiers and content based on patron engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.